Welcome. So you've got a detailed citation for your list of references. Now, how do you do an in-text citation for it in your paper? This video walks you through creating in-text citations in APA format. You should already have a detailed references page citation for the source you want to cite in text before using this video. This is because the in-text citation is created from the information presented in the detailed citation. An in-text citation is an undetailed citation which cannot by itself tell the reader how to look up the source you are referring to. It only signals the reader that the information stated in the sentence comes from another source besides yourself, and directs the reader to the matching detailed citation on the reference list at the end of your paper. Whenever you state information you found in a source someone else created, you must provide an in-text citation. There are two ways to restate information you took from a source. You can restate the information in your own words. This is called paraphrasing. Your citation will appear in parentheses at the end of the sentence before the period. You can copy the information exactly as it was written or stated in the source. This is called quoting. You must always put quoted text of less than 40 words in double quotation marks. 40 or more words of quoted text are presented in a block without quotation marks, indented 1.5 inches from the left margin, like this. The citation in parentheses appears after the period in this case. I am paraphrasing my source here, so I do not need quotes. My citation will appear in parentheses at the end of the sentence before the period. Whether paraphrasing or quoting, you must finish the sentence or block text that restates the sourced information with an in-text citation. APA uses what is called the author date citation system. The information in parentheses primarily consists of the author's last name, comma, and the year the source was published. If the text was quoted from your source, then the page number the text appeared on in the source is added after another comma. If your quoted source does not have page numbers, indicate the heading name or paragraph number under which the text appears in the source. Since many publications don't include numbered paragraphs, this could mean counting them from the beginning. This example includes both heading and paragraph number information. The in-text citation will be presented differently depending on how many authors or creators it has. For 2 authors, list both last names separated by an ampersand, the and symbol. For 3 or more authors, list the first author's last name followed by et al., a Latin term meaning and others. If your source does not list an author, the detailed citation begins with the title element instead. Use this in place of author for the in-text citation also. If the title of the work is italicized in the detailed citation, italicize it in text as well. If the title is not italicized in the detailed citation, put it in double quotation marks in the in-text citation. Capitalize your titles in the in-text citations in title case, even when sentence case is used in the detailed citation. My source has just one author, so I give the last name. Then I type a comma and give the year it was published. Then I close the parentheses and end my sentence with a period. That's all you need for an in-text citation: the name or names, the date, and possibly page number in parentheses, all at the end of the sentence before the period. The whole point is just to signal that you are drawing information from another source and refer your reader to the appropriate detailed citation in the list of references. Things sometimes may come up that we don't have time to cover in this video. What if you have more than one source by the same author? What if you have multiple sources by the same author with the same title? This is just a couple out of many possibilities. Remember, library staff are standing by to help you create citations which fully follow APA guidelines. Just ask. We're happy to help.